welcome to Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah from the marketing team. Yay! It's really cold in here and I'm a little silly. This is Clint Hansen.
Hello.
He's here to answer your questions. I'm here to be silly. Anyways, before we get started with our questions and answers, I just want to say, guys, I need a little more, information on how you guys are celebrating fall. I just want to know, are you eating pumpkin bread? Are you drinking pumpkin spice lattes? Are you decorating your home with dried leaves and acorns and squirrels? I just want to know. Just please comment below. Tell me how you're celebrating fall. What are you doing? Do you have fall fever? If you do, please share it with me. Okay, let's get started. Now I know what you're thinking.
That was intrusive. Oh, that's not, that's not what they're thinking. I got a little freaked out. Sorry, I'm trying to protect you.
All right, our question is from our friend Clang and Bang.
Clang and bang.
That's how Clint says it every time.
Sorry, I can't say it any other way.
It's so funny. How does 300 Blackout handle dwell time compared to 556?
Good question. Yeah. I think I know what he means in terms of handling dwell time.
Okay.
Not being a smartass here, but it handles dwell time the same way any direct impingement handles dwell time. But I think where he's getting at is in terms of functionality, perhaps, bullet weight. Here's the answer. And it's a good question because 300 Blackout is a low pressure round. So in terms of, if you're tuning it, okay, I think where this mostly applies is if you were buying a Ballistic Advantage 300 Blackout barrel, one of the many options you can get here, and you're building your rig and you plan on shooting it suppressed and you want to purchase a Superlative Arms bleed off gas block, coming soon by the way. So when you're dialing that in, what you'll notice between a 300 Blackout and a 556 is you have to go up sizes in terms of diameter of your gas port a little more to get any kind of change because it's a low pressure round. For example, if I had a 16-inch mid-length 556 barrel, standard 556 mid, okay, our gas port is at 78 thousandths, okay, or 0.0785. If I wanted to overgas that barrel, I could probably just go up to 81 thousandths, okay? Not that big of a jump, but it would mean a lot, perhaps for that rig if it was already perfectly gassed, and for whatever reason I open it up. In that small of an increment, you would have a difference, okay? Not the same with 300 Blackout, okay? So oftentimes you might go up maybe even 10 thou, and that's where you have to go to see any kind of change if your barrel was short stroking or overgassed with the suppressor. Okay, so specifically, he's tying this into remember when we talked about suppressors and how they increase back pressure. I think that's where he's going with this.
Okay.
So depending on the ammo you're shooting or just dialing it in, expect to adjust your adjustable or bleed off system a lot more than you typically would a 556 because it is a low pressure round. That about answers that question, I think. If it didn't, please respond again if I totally misunderstood you. Yes?
Mr. Hansen, I have a question. My question is, that was finger clapping, by the way.
I noticed. I could hear it.
Isn't that cool? I'm talented. So my question was, is that why all of our 300 Blackout barrels come in pistol length gas systems?
Actually, it has a lot to do with it, 100%. The shorter you get in terms of dwell time from your gas port to the end of your muzzle, the larger that gas port has to be. So from our 6-inch 300 Blackout barrel, which I'm going to guess that's what this guy's trying to buy and what he's getting at in terms of gas system. But from our 6-inch to our 16-inch, they all utilize a pistol length gas system. Okay, so even on a 16-inch, we still stick with a pistol length gas system. It works very, very well, but our gas port can be a lot smaller. It doesn't speed up the cyclic rate, and everything's worked out very, very well for us with using a pistol length gas system in each barrel. On a 6-inch, I agree. There's very little dwell time. But in terms of gas port size, I think we're right around, 110 or maybe even a little smaller, and the adjacent hole on your low-profile gas block is going to be only about 120,000. So you have plenty of room to center it on there, but it does function just fine. Typically, you're going to shoot subsonic suppressed or supersonic unsuppressed, but it should cycle just fine. You don't have to beef up the buffer system or anything like that, but But yeah, good question.
Thank you, Mr. Hansen, for that wonderful answer. As always, thank you, Clang and Bang, for your fantastic question. We loved it. Guys, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos every Thursday. Yay! And it's fall. Yay! Okay, and also, if you want to see Clint Hansen answer one of your questions, make sure to post it below. Yeah, we can't wait to see what you send us. We are ready. Wow, that was nice. Yeah, we're cool. We're cool, we're chill.
Yeah.
We're up with the cool kids. I'm not gonna do that anymore. Anyways, welcome to Q&A.
I'm vegan, and I just...
Are you really vegan?
Do I look like a vegan?
No.
Do you know any 250-pound vegans? I don't think you do. Because nobody shoots subsonic unsuppressed, do they? Maybe they do. Actually, I know they do. That's why I'm saying that.
I don't.
She does.